so just like the title reads, I want to work on the launch control a little bit on this. The last time we had it at the track, oh, by the way, we're still on pump gas right now. I'm not going to switch it over until I'm ready to, you know, maybe like a day or week or before I go to the track or take it to the dyno. So right now we're just on pump gas. That's really not going to change the launch control settings, you know, for the two-step and all that. It's really not going to make any difference switching fuels as far as that goes. Maybe a little bit, but not much. It may just, I may be able to give it a little more timing. That's really all. So we got the, like the last video, we got everything, all the fuel system is done. We got some 93 octane in here to mess around with the launch control. We got the nitrous bottle back in that I use to help it spool up, and charged the battery last night. So yeah, everything is running really good. So pretty much what I want to do is I'm going to change some of the settings as far as the RPM. I've been leaving at around 4,000 RPMs and getting it to two-step on that, and it builds around 10 pounds of boost, but it takes a little too long, I think, to build the boost. So I'm going to raise the RPM and try it a couple times like that. And what I'm going to do is just put the camera off to the side so you guys can see it. And because, you know, my car, it's not going to be this view here. It's, you know, it's going to be over here because my exhaust comes out right at the side of the car there at the bottom. So I'll set the camera up over here and you guys can check it out. Okay guys, so I made some adjustments and it's starting to come around. When I first started off, it was on the two-step, it was really rich and it was blowing black smoke. I know you could probably see it from the video, you know, I'm sure you could probably see that. But you can see it as I was going along, it started to clear up. So yeah, that's definitely one thing I need to work on is getting the, you know, up on the two-step cleaner. And as I started to lean it out a little bit, it was coming up quicker on the two-step too, so that's good. Now, the only other thing that I would say is that I'm still running, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, right here. I'm still running a manual boost controller, and I haven't put my boost controller that I got on eBay here. Just a basic Mac valve, pretty much what everybody uses. I haven't installed that yet. So the problem is that with the manual boost controller, I can't tell the ECU to limit the boost on the two-step. Okay, so what's happening is as I'm on the two-step, it just keeps climbing and climbing and climbing. I mean, I got it up to almost 20 pounds of boost on one two-step pull. So that's not good. You know, on 20, you can't really leave on 20 pounds of boost. It'll just spin. So yeah, definitely gonna need to get the boost controller hooked up so that the computer can, during the two-step, it can control the boost controller, if that makes sense. It can keep me at a boost value that I tell it. So. Yeah, let me take it out on the street really quick. We'll do a couple hits on it just to see how it feels off the trans brake. I haven't had it out in a long time, so we'll see what happens. All right, guys, I'm back in my garage, and we didn't get arrested or anything like that. Like I said before, I live in an area where if you see one car every 20, 30 minutes, you're lucky. But yeah, so the tune is looking better. I logged all those little hits I just did, and the tune is looking better. It's still rich, as you can see from the black smoke coming out when it's two-stepping. But once it gets into the higher RPMs, it starts to the air fuel ratio starts to come in better. So it's you know, I took a lot of fuel out of the nitrous, so that means, you know, if I'm taking fuel out of the nitrous activation and it's still rich, that means my tune is pretty bad. So, but you know, we're making progress, and I don't want to get too far into tuning this 93 octane because I'm going to be switching really soon. But it was just something I haven't been on the laptop in a while, so I wanted to get on it and start learning it again, and you know, getting back into it, because you can forget things, and it's better if you're practicing and, you know, looking at the tune, looking at the data log and all that. It really helps to do it often. It'll help you learn. So yeah, like I said, I want to get back to the track soon, and I really think this car can go 9s the way it sits right now. And keep in mind, this is a bone stock 1J. The only thing that's been done to it is valve seals and rebuild the VVTi gear. That's it. It's straight from a JDM importer and never been touched. So if it goes 9s, that would be pretty impressive in my eyes. You know, a 2.5 liter 6-cylinder engine to run 9s, and you haven't opened it up, no head studs, no nothing. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. I'm sure I'm gonna push this thing probably until it does blow up. I'm not wishing that. I really don't want to build a motor, but I know that the route where I'm headed and the amount of boost I'm going to be adding to get to the 9s, it's inevitable. I mean, you know, if you miss the tune or something like that, you can easily damage an engine. But I'm not hoping that. But it is what it is. It comes with the territory. So, but anyway, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm going to try to do some more videos now that I'm kind of caught up on my projects here, and that'll give me more time to get back on the car, and I want to get it to the track too. I miss racing. So all right, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.